Join me as I dive into the wild world of Soun stock right now and try to figure out what's really going on. Soun stock has been on the radar of many investors and market followers lately, and for good reason. The stock's performance can give us valuable insights into the current state of the market and the trends that are shaping it. Understanding what's happening with Soun stock can help us make more informed decisions, whether we're seasoned investors or just trying to stay ahead of the curve. Soun stock has faced some significant challenges recently. One of the main issues is the overall market trend, which has been quite volatile. We've seen a lot of ups and downs in the market, and Soun stock hasn't been immune to these fluctuations. On top of that, the company has been dealing with some internal issues, including struggles to meet investor expectations. This has put a lot of pressure on the stock's performance. Another challenge is the increasing competition in the industry, which has made it harder for Soun to stand out. The company's financial reports have also been a major concern. While they've shown some positive signs, there are still some red flags that investors are keeping a close eye on. For example, their revenue growth has been slower than expected, and their profit margins have been squeezed. These issues have contributed to the stock's recent struggles. Adding to the mix is the current market sentiment, which has been shifting rapidly. We've seen a lot of investors becoming more cautious, and this has had a ripple effect on Soun stock. The industry news has also played a role in Soun stock performance. There have been some major developments in the sector, including new technologies and regulatory changes. These changes have created both opportunities and challenges for Soun, and investors are trying to understand how they'll impact the company's future. As we try to make sense of what's happening with Soun stock, it's clear that there are many factors at play. One of the most significant events affecting Soun stock recently was a major announcement from the company. They revealed a new strategy to drive growth, which included some significant investments in new technology. This news had a big impact on the stock, causing it to surge in the short term. However, some investors have been questioning whether this strategy will pay off in the long run. The market reaction has been mixed, with some analysts predicting a rosy future for Soun and others expressing skepticism. The announcement has had a lasting impact on Soun stock, with many investors still trying to understand its implications. Some are optimistic about the company's prospects, while others are more cautious. What's clear is that this event has changed the conversation around Soun stock, and it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out in the coming months. As we consider the potential risks and opportunities, one thing is certain: Soun stock is definitely worth keeping an eye on. In terms of the future trajectory of Soun stock, it's clear that there are both potential risks and opportunities on the table. The company's new strategy could pay off, driving growth and increasing investor confidence. On the other hand, there are still some significant challenges to overcome, including the competitive landscape and the ongoing market volatility. To sum it all up, Soun stock is at a critical juncture right now, with many factors influencing its performance. From market trends to company-specific issues, there's a lot to consider when trying to understand what's happening with this stock. If you've got thoughts on Soun stock, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights into the world of stocks and investing.